Hey guys, EG Scary here. Unboxing masks I found across the internet. For convenience purposes, this one was sold by a bunch of different vendors, but I did have it come through Amazon, and it came from Oriental Trading through the Amazon platform. So let's get started. Alright, let's see what we got. This one's from Ghoulish Productions. And this one's called Burnt Horror on the ticket. And just for fun for this video, I did set off a fog machine. So Ghoulish Productions, I'm pretty certain the mask itself is made in Mexico. Yeah, made in Mexico. So it's a thicker latex. Has a little bit of hair. You can see the glue on the head. So let's get this bad boy on and see how it looks. Oh, I guess real quick I'm going to point out the eye looks really freaking cool. And the slits are right here and right here. But anyway, let's get it on. So here it is. So the visibility is good out of this eye. This eye, it kind of encourages you to keep your eye closed. So you really only have one eye open. Well, I think it looks pretty cool, so. So overall, I think it's pretty cool. Eventually the hair is going to do what the hair does. But I like it. It has a nice little bit longer on the neck. So